Well, here we are in Bulan Eco Park. What can you say, guys?
Oh, Eco Park is so very beautiful.
Oh, it's a dump full of shit.
Dedication.
It's a dumping site. Dumping site full of shit.
The beautiful place there is the dumping area.
Oh, for real? Yeah, very, very true, very true. Dedication for what? Dedication for this Bulan Eco Park is dedicated to the Bulanenyo. What? Fuck. Dedication. This Bulan Eco Park is dedicated to the Bulanenyo community, whose concern for the environment is unwavering and unconditional. A community who loves Mother Earth and above all, who loves God most, the provider of all. Well, si Ninang oh, Mayor Helen C. De Castro,
Ninong.
Vice Mayor Manuel D. Gordola yan Gordola, di yan gugula. Gordola yun. Nasala lang yun, sala. Gordola yun.
Gogola.
Gogola. Well, Mr.
Yes.
Sir, Mr. Lloyd
Yes.
Almonica, please lead the way and tour us here in
we're
Eco
to
Park.
the camping area.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay, follow you.
Move.
Okay.
Follow your ass.
Arturo, come on. Come on. Where is it?
This way.
This way. What is it? This way to campsite.
Look that.
And here when the night comes in,
Approach.
they gonna fuck.
It's so very makulot.
Oh yes. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Area. Where is it?
What way?
It is, what
Other way.
What way?
Other way.
Okay.
This way.
Okay. This is not the way.
It's so difficult.
Everywhere. Fuck.
Very soft.
Okay. Pista na naman si Lloyd. Mau na naman ang bida.
Tourist guide.
Hey, back there. How are you?
Are you okay? I'm fine.
Fine, thank you.
Whoop. Stop.
Very soft. There. Everywhere. Come on. Come on.
Oh no.
You can do it.
Yes.
Oh. Hey, where's the campsite?
area?
Here's the campsite area. Come on. This tour guide is a fuck. Motherfuckers.
I'm sorry.
They gonna lead us to the wrong way, man.
Look at that.
That way.
Side.
Okay. Show us the way. You making us lost.
Oh.
Lost in the what's next?
There is
Waiting for
bungtok.
chance.
Padaba ko.
Bungtok ko, padaba ko, basura ko, asikaso ko. Fuck. Mag-segregate kita. Nabubulok na basura, di nabubulok na basura. Si ano? Si Ninang. Oh! What is it?
Cottage.
Full of
Cottage.
full of
Full of
What?
bling.
my goodness. Here we are. And I guess I hate mosquito. Too much mosquito, ha?
Yes.
Too much mosquito.
Yes.
Tour guide,
Yes.
take the camera.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Hey you other guy.
Too much mud.
Of course, you all two already finished. Of course, the cameraman is back again.
Shit. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna stop this now. And mosquito is everywhere. I don't think it's shit.
Mosquito bite is very
Shit.